Hi, I am Bünyamin Furkan Hacıoğlu. Today I will make the first experiment of biochemistry. It's the make pH strips by using red cabbage extract. So let's begin. First of all, I will dice quarter of this red cabbage to small pieces by using grater. Of course, we can also use knife, but grater more available to get small pieces. After that, I will put them into this cup. Now I will add some hot water to get extract. So I will let at least 30 minutes to this mixture to get extract. Now our extract must be ready. So I will open that. Yeah, I guess it's ready. And now I will remove the small pieces with this filter. I can crush them to get best result. Here you see. Now I will add my coffee filter in this extract. After that I will let it dry. I will put them here. So here my coffee filter. I put them. I will let it few minutes or maybe not. It will be okay for that. So now our coffee filter is dry, as you see. Now I will cut them little strips. After that I will add my materials. Now our strips are ready. Now we are going to add our materials as in the scene instruction. First of all, I will add water. I will add only 1 sip. Okay, that's enough. After that, I will add vinegar. Here we go, just 1 drop. Yes, it's enough. After that, I will add Bleach. I guess I said right. Here's Bleach. Yes, I will add only 1 drop. That will be enough. It's already make some changes. After that, I will add Saliva. Okay. After that, what will we add? Lemon juice. I will drop. Yes, it will be enough. And last one will be baking soda. Here's my baking soda solution to add. Just one drop. Yes, it will be enough. So now I will wait my results. Now I guess my results are ready. I can show them more closely. Here we are. If we start with that, it's the water solution. It's quite same as much as at the start. There is no big change, but here are some purple turn to blue. Our blanch must be so powerful, so it's remove all color. But at the first, when we drop it, it becomes green. Here's Saliva. Saliva remove the color. It's like blue. It's not purple, it's become like blue. Here's the baking soda solution. It's turned to between blue and green. Here's lemon juice. Lemon juice, it's turned to pink, really bright pink. And here's the vinegar. Vinegar, it's a light pink. So here's my results of experiment.